The book Losing Weight and Activating Your Skinny Gene provides readers with effective strategies for weight loss and insights into the potential influence of genetics on weight management. It is suitable for individuals struggling with weight loss, health, and fitness enthusiasts, those interested in genetics and nutrition, and anyone seeking sustainable weight loss approaches. It explores the concept of the skinny gene and offers insights into healthy eating habits, exercise routines, lifestyle changes, and personal development aspects. The book covers important topics such as mindset and stress management, understanding the role of genetics, healthy eating habits, exercise and physical activity, long-term weight maintenance, and overall self-care. By reading this book, individuals will gain knowledge and practical tools to support their weight loss goals, develop a positive mindset, make healthier choices, incorporate exercise into their lifestyle, and maintain long-term weight management.